In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact information like email or phone number to your profile in Facebook. First, click Edit Profile, then scroll down all the way and then click Edit Your About Info. Scroll down more. So you notice you already have your main email that you use to log in as a contact information. If you want to add another contact, you click on this button here and then you click Manage Contact Info, and then you click Add New Contact. Then you have the option either to add email or phone number. I will add a email. I'll put my email here. This is my contact, so you wanna now choose the account for this email. Just make sure this is switched on. Then you want to click Next. Here you will get a notification, so I'm just gonna wait for this to come. Okay, I have received it, so I'm gonna type in my notification 168.282 and then click Next. You have added your email. Okay, so you're done. So you just click Close and you will see your new contact information. Now you just click Done here. Now you see the new contact email that you have, and you could also adjust the privacy of the new contact email to be public or friends only. Then save. And this is how you basically add a new contact information to your profile. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.